Hello, today I'm going to be showing you the chalk and pull method. This is a really fantastic method to do when you are working on a multiple color design and the chalk paste will dry on you and you want to be able to do all your multiple colors without stressing out about moving super fast and just really having a stressful chalking project. You want this to be as simple as possible. We love to chalk, we love to make it easy, and the chalk and pull method is going to show you how you can easily create those beautiful multicolor designs with no stress. So as you can see here, I've chalked my two different colors, and that's about as far as I want to go, about halfway through this design. Halfway through, I am going to pull it back. Now I'm not going to pull my entire transfer off, I'm just going to pull it back just enough so that I can hit my lettering with a hairdryer and get that to dry, so that way I'm able to put the transfer back down, and now I can push it down in the places that still need to be chalked. You can kind of see here how it's not pushed down into the screen where the words pumpkin spice were. I could push it down if I wanted to, but it's not necessary at all. You just want to make sure that your next section that you're getting ready to chalk is pushed down. So I'm just going to go through here and I'm going to chalk these little curly cues and this really pretty blue that I have. The color that I used on this design is our Nantucket blue. I absolutely love it. It's a really fun pop of color and something different from your traditional fall colors, and I think it just is a good pop. The pumpkin spice color I've used today is a mustard yellow. And what I'm using too to put on in the cream color, this is our custard color that I've done the word everything in, and I'm using our Chalk Couture multi-tool. This tool is an excellent tool to have in your Chalk Couture toolbox. It is a stirring tool, a scraping tool, a squeegee, and whatever else you need it to be. So the small end that I'm using here is our squeegee end, and it's really fantastic to get into those really small spaces and corners. Now the top end that you'll kind of see when I turn sideways is it has a little end on it to scrape the inside of our jar, and that fits absolutely perfectly inside of our jars, and it's really great to be able to scrape down any paste that gets on the side of your jar and then to mix up your chalk paste. When you're using chalk paste, you always want to make sure that it's about the consistency of like sour cream or yogurt, and if you ever open your chalk paste and it seems to be a little dried out, all you're going to do is add some water and then use our multi-tool and stir it up. You never want to use a popsicle stick or anything like that because it will dry out your chalk paste. So if you are making a purchase, the multi-tool is an excellent tool to add on to having your Chalk Couture toolbox. So as you can see, I pulled that second layer down, I dried it, and now I'm going to push it back down so that I can finish up the word nice. Now I'm just going to grab my mustard yellow and I'm going to go and I'm going to chalk our word nice again. I love to use this chalk and pull method because we do not want chalking to be stressful. We want it to be fun and enjoyable, and if you want to try your hand at multicolor designs but you just don't feel like you can go quick enough, the chalk and pull method is what you want to do to be able to get in there. Now if you don't have a hairdryer or a heat gun handy, all you'll need to do is just pull that transfer back and just let it sit for about 5 minutes until the chalk paste is dry to the touch, and then you can put the screen back down. So you don't necessarily have to use a hairdryer like I've done in this video. Either any sort of drying method will work. You could just fan it if you wanted to get it to dry. This project still took me probably less than 10 minutes, so it's not even using this method. It's still a quick project because Chalk Couture is fantastic like that. And there you go, all done.